Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. It is a sad morning and a sad day for Kenya. Thutha wa Kenyans kwamukira some stressful news, ndeto ya maithori ni rikitie kuhanikira media fraternity orire the entire media fraternity in the entire country ifagite maandamano ni gukuregana na itua ria thirikari gukorwo ikiingirira independence ya media houses guku bururi-ini muthenya wa umuthi being the 24th of July. The entire media fraternity, all journalists will be on the road ukumithia giko kiu gia thirikari gia kuataka journalists na makire gukorwo ikiingirira uhuru wa waandishi aya a habari. Wiso mwandiki wa mohoro wa ngatheti ya The Nation ugwitwo Gaitho akinyitwo na njira yari ya magigi muno ni borithi. Giko gia korirwo gigikumithio muno ni honge iria ikirungamagirira andiki a mohoro guku bururi-ini. Also Kameme FM and TV journalist Catherine Wajeri was also shot maita matatu ni borithi kuria Naikuru despite gukorwo akiwear a media garment iria yokionanagia ati muno she is a journalist covering maandamano kuria Naikuru. Back to igutha riri riagikora andiki a mohoro oriri magibangite kuingira barabara ni umwe wao wagikorwo agite moyo wake. The entire media fraternity umuthenya wa umuthi is mourning a journalist, a radio journalist uhurukite. Mercy Mawia is a well-known Baitu FM radio host. Baitu is a known Kaba radio station. The radio station niyo yagikorwo ikifuja ndeto ici kuria Kenya na yakorwo igiconfirm ndeto ino egie umwe wao gukorwo agite moyo wake. Mercy akorirwo akihuruka riria kwamukagira urigiti in one hospital mkuria kwao. Kenyans magikorwo makijoin the Kamba Nation gutuma ndumiriri ciao cia pole kuri family ya Mercy, this radio journalist who is a well-known journalist na aria makimoe magikorwo makiuga ati ni mundu urari muruti wira na kio and a known voice and a very loved voice. Ndeto twagikorwo tugikinyirwo nicio oriri journalist magibangite gukorwo makiingira barabara kuregana na thirikari gukorwo ikiingirira uhuru wa journalist. Jitekeria nginyia ndeto icio how make sure no turn on your notification or subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu tucamanie na wa next one.